All right, so hey everyone, I'm here with one of my good patients, Nancy. So Nancy, why don't you just go ahead and give a quick introduction and tell your story.
I am a 50-year-old mother and grandmother. I was in a car accident 8 months ago. I went to a different physical therapy provider. I thought I was destined to pain pills and pretty much living with the way my neck was hurt and very little mobility. I'm an avid golfer, swimmer, biker. I wasn't able to do any of those things. I couldn't even sleep through the night on a pillow. I moved very much like a robot. I came here as a last resort, and I'm glad I did. And I'm now moving and very active again in my life and not dependent on any medicine or painkillers. I'm able to resume my normal life, and I would recommend this choice for anyone.
So Nancy, you kind of alluded to some of you had gotten PT before. There's a lot of people watching this video who may have had PT and they really don't understand the difference between a good therapist and a bad therapist. What were some of the treatments that you received, and what was like a typical treatment session for you?
I was going 3 times a week. They would put me on a bed that was made to pretty much rub my back. I laid on that for 15 minutes, and then when I got off that, they put ice on me and hooked me up to a E-stem for another 15 minutes. And I was there 3 times a week, and of course none of that worked. I didn't do any exercising. I didn't have any home videos sent home with me to watch and practice.
Good.
There was no way I could make myself better. I didn't know what to do because what they were doing to me, I couldn't do at home.
Sure. Now, what were some of the treatments that you got here? You talked about the exercises we did, obviously, but what about the hands-on skills that we gave you here?
That's what made me better, I believe. I would come in and have hands-on skills here where they would massage me and move me and actually push me.
Yeah.
And I would go home and practice and keep up everything that I was told to do, and it made me better.
Great. So overall, you would say, other people watching this video, that there's some hope and optimism for them and their neck pain they may be experiencing because they may have not have had the appropriate treatments. They may have gotten the wrong advice early on, and they think that there's nothing that can be done. But you, as you had just said, right, you would agree that seeing a quality therapist can set you over the top and get you back to golfing, walking, and doing those things?
Absolutely. I would say try it. Here you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain.
Awesome. Thank you, Nancy.
You're welcome.